How to add friends in Line app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can add friends on Line app. So if you are also wondering on how we can add friends, it is super easy. You can just follow up this method and you should be able to add friends in your Line application. So first thing first, you can go ahead and open up your Line application on your device. And once you're here, once you log in order to add friends, on this interface, you can directly find the option called Add Friends on your screen right here, which is adding friends either by QR code or a search. Or if you can't find this option, Add Friends here, you can tap on this plus icon at the top right corner of your screen beside the gear icon. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can either invite up your friends by, sending up the link via email or text message, or you can use up the QR code to add each other. So you can place off the QR code in front of your cameras of your friends and you can just go ahead and add it. Otherwise, we also have the search bar available. You can search up your friend's ID here or your phone number of your friends as well. And after that is done, you can simply go ahead and add them, and that is it. So that is how you can add up your friends in Line application very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.